So now, before Shehzad Roy, I will request Asad Khan and the whole band to come on stage. Asad Bhai, Ali, Amin, Devan.
Turn it off. Plug over there.
Village and do it. They are the mind-blowing musicians. And now,
absolutely amazing today.
Bilal Bhai, Sarah, you be ready when I call for Shehzad Roy, because Shehzad Roy is bharpoor hangame mein. After 5 years he's visiting Canada, Ikra, or first time ever in Toronto, and I've been working with him for 20 years. He has the biggest charity in Pakistan, I'm paid to learn, which is called Zindagi Trust. So now, I'm counting on you. So, Ben, are you ready? Is Milton? No. Is Milton ready? Is Milton ready?
Milton, you guys are mine. You guys are Aamir's. Are we gonna do a competition? Who's louder?
No. I'm not doing that. No. Jo, I'm also Ikra. So हम सब बोलेंगे Ikra के लिए. Milton, are you ready? Yes. I'm with you.
You're such a sore loser.
Let me check. अब बातें करो, मैं check करता हूँ.
वो बातें कहने की बातें करो, मैं चेक करने जा रहा हूँ. वैसे आप लोग आज अच्छे मौसम में गुजार रहे हैं अपना वक्त. Let's hear it. Yes. Yes. Are there any honorable mentions here today? You know what? I'm just really impressed with the two ladies that participated in the dal chawal eating contest. You ladies did amazingly well. I'm very proud of you. Thank you for that. What do you guys think of our musicians today?
Yeah.
And let's hear it for our musicians on the guitar. And the bass.
Yeah.
And the drums. And the drums. And our very dear friend on the piano.
No. What do you bust? Just a start.
Irfan Malik,
I'm
Baba.
not an MC, I'm a member of parliament.
But you know how to sing? What song you like the most? What song you like? Huh? No, you sing, then I sing.
Will you all sing with me if I sing a song?
Yeah!
All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Jeeve, jeeve, jeeve Pakistan, 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 jeeve Pakistan, 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 jeeve Pakistan. I'm not a singer, guys. I'm a member of parliament, I promise you.
Okay, that's good. You know what I did? Because we have 5 more minutes. So you know who I brought for you? Your great friend from Animals, MPP Sheri Sababe.
Wonderful.
See, I got politicians coming. You know, I mean, if they are coming. No. You keep it. You get this. You guys talk. No, good evening, everyone. Sharif! Hi.